Good Wednesday, everyone. Thanks for stopping by. Garden State Weather and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and we're already at the 25th day of March 2015. And walking out the door again this morning under clear skies. The temperature is still in the upper teens and low to mid-20s at sunrise here across northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania, up the Hudson River Valley into interior Connecticut. Temperatures in the New York City metropolitan area getting above freezing now, and temperatures generally running in the 20s over the interior sections of southeastern Pennsylvania, central and southern New Jersey as well, under clear skies as high pressure is cresting right over the region this morning. Air, land, and sea advisories. We have small craft advisories from Montauk, Sandy Hook, New Jersey, out into the Delaware Bays here, and the back bays as well into the Chesapeake here as well. This is for tonight into tomorrow morning, and this would be for the winds approaching 25 to 30 knots with a wind shift from the southwest to northwest after a cold frontal passage late Thursday night. Seas will steadily build to the 5 to 8 foot range for the coastal waters during tonight into Thursday night, and small craft advisories will be raised for this package. Morning surface chart from weatherroanoke.com and digital atmosphere software shows the high pressure ridge off the coast now. The wind's turning around to the southwest. Here comes our warm front to our southwest, and a shortwave max rolling through the Great Lakes into the Ohio River Valley here. This will be proceeding in our region this afternoon as clouds quickly lower and thicken. We could get a few rain showers in here by the afternoon hours. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery shows high cirrus clouds moving in from the southwest. Here's our shortwave max here across the Ohio River Valley moving towards the north and east. And we've got plenty of lifting going on here on the water vapor channel across Pennsylvania and the Ohio River Valley, and this is due to warm air advection in the mid and upper layers of the atmosphere, which will increase our cloud cover and also our chances for rain showers during this afternoon. Right now we can see the rain showers and the band of rain lifting up through the Great Lakes into the Ohio River Valley area this morning, and some of this will be moving in our direction, very light and spotty, however, during the late afternoon and evening. For the aviation weather deck today, we have VFR conditions in place, and the clouds will be between 4,000 and 6,000 feet as they continue to lower and thicken throughout the afternoon. Some light rain showers anticipated to spread into the region late this afternoon. The rain may begin as a brief period of sleet over Reading and Allentown, but chances for that reaching the ground are slim. A light and variable wind this morning forecast to settle into the east-southeast quadrant at less than 10 knots late tonight and tomorrow morning. Conditions for tomorrow lower to MVFR and then IFR range for tonight as low-level moisture is drawn off the ocean by a light east to southeast surface flow. Occasional light rain and drizzle. Anticipated areas of fog should develop too, especially in eastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey. A low-level southwesterly jet forecast to develop over the coastal plain tonight, and a low-level wind shear for Trenton and northeast Philadelphia, Wilmington, Millville, and Atlantic City for late tonight into tomorrow morning associated with the low-level jet. For tomorrow, Thursday, IFR conditions with low clouds, fog, and a chance of rain and drizzle. Low-level wind shear is possible tomorrow morning through the midday hours due to the possibility of the presence of the low-level southwesterly jet overhead. Thursday afternoon and Thursday night, mainly VFR, occasional MVFR and IFR conditions and showers and scattered thunderstorms. There could be a lull in precipitation tomorrow afternoon, and then it picks up again with the strong cold frontal passage tomorrow night. Conditions improving to VFR with the strong northwest wind on Friday, and Saturday VFR conditions, strong high pressure in control of the region. Right now, looking outside of Newark at the terminals at 32 degrees, dew point 19, humidity 58%, mostly cloudy with scattered clouds at 25,000. Under that, it's generally sunny. And today's story will be the light rain showers coming in this afternoon with MVFR conditions and then IFR conditions late tonight through tomorrow. There'll be a period tomorrow, too, where we could even be VFR, where we're dry spotted in the afternoon before the cold front comes through. Right now at Philadelphia, we have VFR conditions and 29 degrees, dew point 22, humidity 75%, few clouds at 20,000, high base cirrus clouds moving in from the southwest at 25,000 feet. VFR conditions in place right now, light rain showers late this afternoon. Latest model guidance from the GFS shows the high moving off the coast and the light rain showers moving into from our southwest during the afternoon. Should be very spotty and light across the region. Some dry air in the mid and lower layers of the atmosphere, so some of this could be even evaporating before it reaches the ground. That shortwave max moves out, and then tomorrow we get warm sectored with a warm front moving through the region. A southwesterly jet developing an area of low pressure ahead of the cold front here moves into central Pennsylvania and the central New York region and into northern New England. and we could have a break in the action, some rain showers around tomorrow morning, some light rain and fog as well. And then during the afternoon hours, the cold front will be approaching, another round of showers and possibly even a low top thunderstorm tomorrow as temperatures get into the 60s, even possibly to around 70 in the Philadelphia area tomorrow. It's going to be quite warm. And then the front will be sliding to our south and east by Friday afternoon. There's still some lingering showers around. Could even turn into a little bit of wet snow here on the northwest fringe Friday morning. Confidence in that is very low at this time. The front moves through and the cold air advection builds in for the weekend with high pressure and breezy conditions and unseasonably chilly air once again for this time of the year, where temperatures should be in the 50s, and we're generally running back into the 40s over the weekend. Another cold front comes through the region with another clipper storm moving through the Great Lakes region and southeastern Canada on Monday, drags a cold front through the region. We could have a few light rain showers around the region during Monday morning and Monday afternoon. And that moves through, then more high pressure builds in across the region during the midweek period with another clipper storm moving to our north and east during Wednesday, April 1st, which is April Fool's Day for some of you. And then finally, warm air advection, an active pattern indeed as systems continue to roll in from the south and the polar stream as well and move across the forecast region during the next several days to the middle part of next week. Last night's run of the 500 millibar height anomalies from the European model, the GFS, and the CMC showing the same thing, the relaxation of the polar jet stream with a more zonal flow in place, but still a very active west-based El Nino in the Central Pacific means that the undercutting and a very active subtropical jet stream merging with disturbances in the polar branch, moving storms quickly across the country from west to east in a more zonal flow, but still quite an active pattern ahead. So this go around with the warm temperatures on Thursday, we're expecting generally a half to 1 inch of rainfall, and rivers will continue to run off with the snow melt as well. It's could be some moderate rises to rivers and streams across the region during Thursday and into Friday. And that means we'll have to be monitoring this for the release of ice jams as the ice continues to melt on the rivers and streams as well. For everything live, it's Garden State Weather, gardenstateweather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a terrific Wednesday. We'll be back on Thursday.